ஹாய் செல்லக்குட்டீஸ், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? ஓகே, லெட்ஸ் play quiz. Cashmere is a wool from which kind of animal? Goat, llama, camel, sheep. Goat. Which of the following is adapted for desert life? Lion, camel, crocodile, donkey. Camel. Which one is a herbivore animal? Wolf, leopard, hyena, cow. Cow. Which is the smallest bird? Sparrow, goldcrest, hummingbird, nightingale. Hummingbird. A group of peacock is called a troop, muster, pride, group. Muster. What does a panda eat? Bamboo, leaves, fish, insects. Bamboo. In which region are penguins found? Asia, Arctic, Antarctica, Africa. Antarctica. How much water can be drunk by a camel at a single time? Up to 60 liter, up to 80 liter, up to 100 liter, up to 120 liter. Up to 100 liter. Earthworm breathes through ears, nose, lungs, skin. Skin. Which of these body parts birds not have? Teeth, brain, toe, spine. Teeth. Where do camels store water? Intestine, water pouch, stomach, hump. Hump. What is a baby frog called? Hatchling, fry, tadpole, cub. Tadpole. Which living bird lays the world's largest egg? Ostrich, owl, eagle, vulture. Ostrich. Which animal is known as the best rain detector? Dog, crow, elephant, mouse. Elephant. Which animal can turn its head to 70 degrees? Bat, owl, kingfisher, falcon, owl. Which bird can fly backwards? Bat, crimson sunbird, eagle, hummingbird. Hummingbird. Animal with the largest brain in the world is dolphin, sperm whale, octopus, blue whale. Sperm whale. Which is the only snake that builds nest? Python, king cobra, viper, anaconda. King cobra. Which animal breathes through its skin? Turtle, crocodile, frog, crab. Frog. Which animal has 3 hearts? Rabbit, crocodile, octopus, tortoise. Octopus. ஓகே செல்ல குட்டிங்களா, பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். பாய் பாய்.